make it work. One more time, you know how it goes, baby. Kick your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby. Turn it up, make it work. One more time, you know how it goes, baby. Kick your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby. Turn it up, you know how it goes, baby. Turn it up, 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 turn it up. You know how it goes, baby.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger. So today, as usual, we brought one more video for you. Today we had our new friends HARLEY DAVIDSON IronRod 883 for sale. And we have shot proper cinematic video. We will also give all the description specification, and we have also ridden this bike, and this bike is so smooth. So let's watch this video.
This bike has a mobile mount as an accessory. This bike has a USB port for charging mobiles. This bike has an extra foot pads for cruising. As an accessories, you will get these two defoggers. 40% of the front tire tread is still left. Back tires are in a very good condition. This bike has an extra backrest for a comfortable ride. This is the total number of kilometers this bike has driven.
One more time, you know how it goes, baby. Kick your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show.